Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 4. We are almost at the halfway point of the course. Congratulations. And for some of you, I know that you're reaching that end point if you haven't already reached the end point of your school year. So, congratulations, you're doing it. On top of the challenges of what we have faced with COVID and the reopening protocols, now here we are facing the new challenges of safety. And I pray that you are given strength as you help not only yourself manage through this and colleagues, but your students as well, as we know school safety is on everybody's mind. If it wasn't before, it clearly truly is now. So again, my prayer is that God gives you that wisdom and calm and peace. Now, looking into week 4, first of all, congratulations on submitting step 1 of your cycle for investigating. Know that I will be looking through that within this week to give you feedback. Please remember to check the comments as well as the little bubbles on your paper. So that way you comment bubbles on the paper so you can get the feedback in both places if they happen to be there. Now for this week, you're watching the instructor video, so you're here. But the reading is the how to write a problem statement. Hint, hint, hint. You did that reading in our live session, but again, if you don't remember what it looks like, this is what it looks like, those 2 pages there. That just remind you on the who, what, where, why are you writing this problem statement, and that reminder that that problem statement is really about 2 sentences long is the furthest that you want to go into it. So again, that's the official reading for the week. From your cycle 2, I'm sorry, forgive me. Yes, I'm saying it right. From your cycle 2 about problem of practice, looking at building a practice solution. You have some reading from that can be also applied moving into step 2 and step 3 of this cycle. So that could be something else that you read this week. The Christian message, 2 Corinthians 12:9 says, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in your weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weakness, so that Christ's power may rest in me." A reminder as a leaders, we're the ones sometimes looked at to be the rock, the foundation. But honestly, know that we can have weakness. And admitting that weakness and being able to move forward in it. Again, that's what 2 Corinthians 12:9 is talking about, putting that focus, your weakness, onto Christ. So I encourage you to take some time to reflect on that. So the technical discussion board for this week, please know it's a discussion board task. I don't know that I gave enough clarity to this, and I want to give some comment to it right now. Week 2 was a discussion board task where you were putting up your draft of your step 1. Well, for week 4, by the end of this week on Sunday, you need to put up your draft of step 2. Now, this is not something that you earn points for, but this is the collection point for your peers to give you that feedback. So please know when I just am noting that it's been submitted to clear it out in the system, you're not receiving points, or it may state 0 points. It's not a negative. It's just a place that the holder, if I can say that, for your peers to be able to give you that reflection in the next week's discussion board. You'll notice the next week's discussion board, you'll earn a total of 30 points because you're reviewing 2 of your peers. So that makes up for those weeks that have 0 points. So please know that. And then looking at the week ahead in week 5, it's looking at step 3, act 3. We will also have a live session that week that is required for you to attend. It will be Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Again, not this Wednesday night, June the 1st, but Wednesday night, June the 8th is when the live session is coming forward as we reflect on step 3, the act component of it. But again, this week is drafting your step 2 and being able to plan. The only thing I want to say about step 3 and that acting, as you're thinking of different problem strategies to really work towards that problem, have that dialogue with peers if you're around them to say, hey, what do you think if we were to try this or this, to really support that equity gap to close it and get their reflection. As well as what you're reading, if you're reading up on the topic as well. So week 4 in the nutshell, you do need to get by that Sunday night, this coming Sunday night, a draft of your step 2 up into the discussion board. I will be working on getting my comments and grades to you for your step 1. I hope it is a blessed week. Reach out if you have any questions or just need any clarity on anything. I'm here for you by email or text. God bless you.